students, depending on where you are in the world, you may or may not have heard of A&W. A&W is a kind of restaurant, a fast food place that is very similar to McDonald's. You go in there, there's a counter, you order the death, you go and you eat it. I'm trying to encourage you not to shop at these places. Please do not go to McDonald's or A&W or any of these fast food restaurants like Kentucky Fried Chicken, because they are involved in these cycles of violence that are just horrible for the animals. Please watch the documentary Dominion Movement, Earthlings. Also go to What the Health and The Game Changers. Go and watch Cowspiracy and Seaspiracy. If you don't know what goes on in the dairy industry, go to Dairy is Scary. It's only 5 minutes long. All right, let me just go and look at the menu here and I'll show you what I mean. This is just a typical thing that they have at these places. I'm here in Quebec, Canada. I don't know if they have these restaurants in other places, but I urge you not to shop at these horrific restaurants. Go and buy some other things. Go to a grocery store and just buy yourself some fruit, some healthy fruit in the morning. Buy yourself some oats, some oatmeal, some nuts and some dates, and put that in a nice big smoothie. Don't buy this. This is so unhealthy and it is so filled with suffering. The chickens in the industry, here's what happens. Chickens are one of the most abused animals on the planet. There are double the chickens on the planet than there are humans. Think about that. Do you ever wonder why you never see them? Because they are in buildings, confined, hidden from you. They are in prisons. They are in concentration camps. They are forced into existence by being bred into existence. They're not out there making love in the fields. We create these animals. So no, if we all become vegan, the world will not become overpopulated by these animals because we create them to begin with. Chickens, cows, pigs, turkeys. It's horrific how we treat them. We need a vegan world. I am a vegan grandmother and I want to save the planet for my grandchildren. I'm sure that you also want a nice planet to live in, and the eco footprint of animal agriculture is horrific. If you're a young person, you should be joining me. You should be vegan and fighting for your planet and fighting for the innocent animals that have no reason to die. There's absolutely no reason to breed them into existence and then to torture them like this. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has confirmed it. You can be vegan at any stage of development. You can be vegan when you're little, when you're a kid, when you're a teenager, a mom, dad, grandparent, everybody, even pregnant and lactating mothers. There's no reason to eat this stuff. Do not pay for this. In the industry that is the pork industry, which is where pigs die, they murder them in gas chambers, or they boil them alive, or they slit their throats. There's no reason for this violence. I urge you to please watch the important documentaries to learn about this. Watch Cowspiracy, watch Seaspiracy, watch Dominion Movement, watch Earthlings, educate yourself. Go to howdoigovegan.com. Go and watch Dairy is Scary. It's only 5 minutes long. You can totally do this and join me in this fight for freedom and for peace. We need a peaceful world, and peace begins on your plate. Only put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Don't put anything else. Open up your heart. These poor innocent pigs that is what they turn into bacon. It is horrific. There's no reason for any of us to eat bacon. There's no reason for you to eat this sausage. You can get the vegan versions of all of these things. When you see these kinds of restaurants, give them the middle finger. Do not put up with it. Go in there and say to them, tell me about your vegan options. Don't tell me about your grass-fed cows. No matter how you treat the animals, it doesn't matter if you murder them at the end. There is no right way to do the wrong thing. And these people probably don't even know about it. These people who are lined up here to buy these things, and it is still breakfast time here. We have the breakfast menu going. Let's have a look here at the what they have here if you're ordering in the drive-through here. And remember, I'm in Quebec, so the signs here are bilingual. They're mostly in French, actually. Let's have a look here. Le lundi repas partagé. Here, they're encouraging you to buy a burger. So in this burger here, you have a dead animal who did not want to die. So they didn't want to die. So we have here's an option that you can buy. This is Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger. Hey, these are all my fans and haters. All right, for a Beyond Burger, Beyond Meat is not made from dead animals. It is made from plants. It is a plant source and it tastes the same. So
Can I get a selfie? Can I get a selfie?
why pay for murder if you don't have to, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, listen, I can't film you guys because you're underage, so you, but
Can
you
you
can.
get a selfie?
I'm just in the middle of a video here, so just hold on.
Are you blowing mask
So
on?
here we have, like I was saying to you before, here we have chicken, and chickens are some of the most abused animals on the planet. Here we have onion rings. Onion rings are okay. They're vegan, they're onions. They're not very healthy for you because they're filled with fat and with salt, but this is something you could buy. Fries, of course, are also something you could buy, but I don't recommend that you support these places unless you are going in there and really advocating for them to change their entire menus to be vegan from now on. Eating animals is wrong. Hurting animals is wrong. Share this song and be vegan from now on. Now I'm singing this, but do you think this guy here is listening, this guy in the car? No, because it takes 100 clicks until you become vegan. The first time you hear about me talking about how horrific this industry is and all of these industries, you're gonna think I'm crazy. I get it. I was not vegan all my life. I was not this person speaking out. I became this way because I found out about the terrible suffering that goes on in these industries. So please, I urge you, boycott them, or at least go in there and say, tell me about your vegan options and make your whole menu vegan from now on. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, popping up on the screen right now will be a whole bunch of other videos. If you haven't yet seen them, please go ahead, click on them, be curious, check out my site, and subscribe to this channel, That Vegan Teacher on YouTube. Thank you so much for everything you are doing for the animals. I know you're trying your best, but just think about what I'm saying and go and see the documentaries that I mentioned in this video. Thank you again. Bye for now.
Can I ask you to please, because we can't even take the orders.
Yeah, I'm gone.
Okay, because the customers are complaining.
Okay, I'm gone.
Thank
Thanks.
Can you get a selfie? Just real quick.
Hi there. So you want to get a selfie? Why do you want to get a selfie with me?
Because I know you, you're great.
Well, are you vegan?
Yeah.
No, you're not. You're full of shit. No, you don't get a selfie with me. What's the point? Just because you know me doesn't mean I'm anybody special, you understand? I'm just a normal grandmother. Go and be vegan and join me in the fight, okay? Check me out on That Vegan Teacher on YouTube and type me in the comments saying, what's your first name?
I don't know if I want to tell you that.
So what are you doing filming me?
Well,
Because I'm famous? I'm nobody, you understand? I'm nobody.
You're pretty famous.
So what? We don't give a shit about that, okay? Fame is nothing. What's important is that you're a good person. Tell me your first name. Invent one.
All right, bye.
All right, bye. Be a good boy and be vegan from now on.